This very morning we have assembled to extend our apologies for and on behalf of the Greater Accra Regional Minister to all citizens of the country we love, Ghana. Press statement by the Office of the Gborbu Wulomo Shitse. Northern posting. Remarks by the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Linda AKWELEY OCLOO, on 5th May 2026. This statement is issued to address public concerns arising from remarks made by the Honorable Greater Accra Regional Minister, Linda AKWELEY OCLOO, on Tuesday, the 5th of May 2026. It also serves as an expression of apology intended to calm public sentiments, restore confidence, and promote national unity and mutual respect among all people of Ghana. Following the minister's remarks, various media platforms, including print, electronic, and social media, as well as commentary from bloggers and other interested members of the public, have been inundated with reactions condemning the statement. Many interpreted the comments to mean that postings or transfers to the northern regions of Ghana constitute punishment or are undesirable assignments for public servants. Same is also taken to be to discriminate against any ethnic group or region, but has continuously worked diligently to promote development, peace, and the image of the Greater Accra region with dignity and pride. The widespread condemnation arising from her remarks concerning the transfer of persons alleged to have engaged in misconduct within the Forestry Commission and activities affecting the internationally recognized Ramsar site should therefore be understood within the context of efforts to discourage wrongdoing and protect national resources rather than as an attack on any region or people. To us, the Honorable Regional Minister remains courageous and hard-working public servant who continues to stand firm in protecting public institutions, physical developments, and the welfare of the people of the Greater Accra region without fear or favor. Such leadership and commitment are necessary in promoting accountability, good governance, and the positive image of Ghana. The Office of the Gborbu Wulomo Shitse hereby extends a sincere apology to the Tindanaba and the people of the northern regions, as well as the Nsumankwa Hines across the Akan-speaking areas. This apology is equally extended on behalf of the Honorable Greater Accra Regional Minister to the traditional leadership and people of the Ewe-speaking communities and to all persons who may have felt offended or marginalized by the statement. As leaders and custodians of public trust, we acknowledge that human beings are not infallible, and indeed, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. We shall continue to support our regional minister in all her endeavors to uplift the image of the Greater Accra region. We stand united as a people of the Greater Accra region. Can I go on? We stand united as a people of the Greater Accra region in reaffirming our commitment to peace, unity, tolerance, and national cohesion. We also extend our apology and continued support to the government which the Honorable Regional Minister serves, while encouraging all Ghanaians to remain united in the collective pursuit of national development and harmony. This is the statement of apology from the office of Wulomo Shitse, the Gborbu Wulomo Shitse, and spiritual overlord of the Gadangme people and state.